Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left crisper drawer glide in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Your first step is to remove all 4 glass shelves by lifting the front of each shelf up, then detach the bracket tabs from the shelf support to remove. Next, pull the platter shelf forward and lift the platter shelf glass up from underneath to remove. Open both crisper drawers, reach in, and push the crisper cover glass up and forward from underneath. Close the drawers and remove the glass. Now fully uninstall both crisper drawers by pulling them forward, then hold the side support brackets as you push the drawers back to fully detach. You can now lift up the entire platter shelf and crisper cover assembly and pull forward to remove. Next, lift up the front of the crisper drawer glide assembly and pull forward to remove. Use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tabs to release the drawer glide trim. Now depress the retaining tabs securing the slide rail and slide the rail out. You're now ready to prepare the new crisper drawer glide for installation. Align the slide rail on the new glide track and push straight back until it snaps into position. Align and snap the glide trim onto the new glide. Now position the glide assembly's rear notch on the liner's rear mounting post, then lower the front of the assembly onto the front mounting post. Fully reposition the platter shelf and crisper cover assembly in the refrigerator. To reinstall the crisper drawers, pull the slide rails out. Then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the drawers and push the drawers in. Reinsert the crisper cover glass in the space between the platter shelf and crisper cover and push back until the glass is fully seated in the cover. Realign the platter shelf glass in the frame. Finally, reinstall the glass shelves by hooking the upper bracket tabs into the appropriate slots in the shelf support. Then lower the front of the shelves.